Hey guys, just today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do the team event, hot and fast, and what setups and what cars I use. Alright guys, so for this first race we're going to be crushing through objects. We'll want the Raider with heavyweight, afterburners, and inner tires. Let's get to it. Alright, 16 seconds. Not bad at all. Alright, this one's just you're trying to complete the track as fast as you can. We'll go with the CCEV. We'll want the start boost, cone boost, winter tires. Okay, 36 seconds, nice. Alright, another time of track, finishing the track as fast as you can. This one we'll want the formula though, with nitro, fuel boost, and the afterburner. Alright, 9.4 seconds. That's a great score. Floor's lava. So basically, avoid the lava. We'll want the glider with the coin boost, jump stocks, and landing boost. Dang it. Oh well. Yeah, I've gotten a little better, but still not a bad score. 31,827. Yeah, so that's how you can get 31,000 points in hot and fast.